Hi you guys, and welcome to my channel. And in tonight's video I'm going to be doing a mini clean and decorate with me. It's very late at night, and to ensure I get this cleanup done, I'm going to be recording with you guys. I normally like to clean my bathrooms over the weekend, but this weekend was just jam-packed with things going on, family events and different things like that, so I did not get a chance to do any type of cleaning over this weekend. As you can see, these are just products that I use on a daily basis. I have my water bottle, I have my different vitamins up there, as well as different cleaning products here. Hi guys, and I want to share with you this Donna Karan Cashmere Mist deodorant. It smells amazing, and if you was to give it a try, you would not be disappointed at all. I love this stuff. You guys, I absolutely love these rugs. I was able to pick them up from my local home goods store, and although I'm still loving them, I'm just ready to put some new decor here in this bathroom. My husband finally got around to hanging up my rod as well as the panels that I picked up from the clearance section at my local home goods store. So if you're looking for home decor, please do not skip the clearance aisle because you can and will find gems. And for tonight, I'll be using the Spray Away All-Purpose Cleaner. This stuff is great to be cleaning up with, and when I saw it in my local Burlington for only $2.99, I could not pass it up. I had to pick up a can to use. The next product I will be using is this Windex with vinegar cleaner. It's streak free and it works amazing as well, and I also like that you can actually smell the vinegar in it, which leaves the house smelling fresh and clean. For tonight, I also will be wiping the surfaces with these Clorox disinfectant wipes, and I love cleaning up with these Clorox disinfectant wipes. The next product that I will be using to clean with is this Bona wet floor mop. And now I'm just going to be putting everything away and clearing off the sink so that I can start the cleaning process. And no, I did not show you guys what under the cabinets look like because it is a hot mess under the cabinets, and that's for another video. Vacuum cleaner whenever I am getting ready to clean any hard surfaces in the house because I do have a lot of shedding going on with my hair. And I actually like using the Bona mop. It does not just push around the dirt, but it actually gets it up. And I like the fact that it has a changer pad on there as well. Now going into the toilet area, I like to keep this basket full of products because for some reason I always ended up not having any toilet tissue in the bathroom because of my husband. So I use that basket. And also, excuse me guys, I also like to use this Clorox wand to clean the toilet. Now let's organize the basket. And here are a few things that I keep in here so that I am never without a product that I may need while using the restroom. And I actually went ahead and cleaned the toilet off camera, but now I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back where it needs to go.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do. That's why I'm
You guys, I have to admit, this spray away cleaner is amazing. If you have not given it a try, please give it a try. I absolutely love it, and I also love that it does not have a strong fume smell while using it. I actually picked up these canisters that were already filled with cotton balls, as well as ear cleaners. Can't think of the name of those right now. As well as facial cleansing pads. And you guys, I got these from my local Home Goods, and I only paid $4.99 for each canister. Now I'm going to go in with one of my favorite candles, which is Cactus Blossom from Bath and Body Works. And you guys, I have been loving this electric candle lighter. It's amazing. I don't know why it took me so long to get this candle lit, but when I tell you guys, I would never buy another disposable candle lighter again. I love this thing, and I purchased this from Amazon for, I believe, $9.99. And I actually purchased these two sets of bath rugs from Home Goods for $19.99. You guys, the material on these things feel amazing. They're so plush, and I'm going to be using the smaller ones in front of the sink area, and then I'm going to be using the larger ones by the shower and the bathtub. I am not using a rug in the toilet room because I mean that just really grosses me out, so I'm not going to use one in the toilet room. I know you guys probably are wondering why didn't she clean the shower, but you guys, my shower is no joke. I actually went ahead and cleaned the shower prior to me recording the video. And I actually purchased the vase that the pampas grass is in from my local home goods store. And I got the 3 set of pampas grass from Amazon. You guys, this pampas grass feels amazing and it's so pretty in person. I got it from Amazon for $39.99. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give. And you guys, me and her, we have a love-hate relationship, but she's the realest chick I know. And I purchased these scales from Amazon as well. You guys, I cannot believe I was finally able to find a tub tray. I have been wanting a tub tray forever, and when I saw this on Amazon and it was brown to match my bathroom, I knew I had to have it. And you guys, I purchased this jar from my local Ross store for $2.99, and I'm going to be filling it up with these Dr. Teal's bath bombs. And I love using Dr. Teal's product. As soon as I open the packaging, you guys, I got a smell of the lavender as well as the eucalyptus from those bath bombs. They smell amazing. And now I'm going to be taking this Dr. Teal's Epsom salt and I'm going to be pouring it into this milk jar, you guys. I thought this would be a cute little touch to add to the tub tray as well. And I love this eucalyptus scent of these bath salts. I also picked up these floral arrangements from Hobby Lobby. They're originally $39.99, but I was able to get them on sale for 50% off. I also picked up these washcloths from my local home goods store. Now let's go ahead and decorate this tub tray. In the comment section, you guys, please tell me how you like how I decorated the tub tray, or if I need to add or take away anything. Thank you guys so much for cleaning with me as well as decorating. If you have any ideas that you'd like to share with me, please let me know. Also, please don't forget to give my channel a thumbs up. If you like this video, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching. Bye.
Away from you, making sure that I'm doing my part. Boy, is there something